Planning to expand your online course globally? Many creators hit sudden declines or account freezes when trying to accept payments from other countries. Here's a simple manual way to track international course payments. Set up an international payments tracker in Google Sheets, logging each student's country, course, and transaction status. It helps you identify patterns and potential issues, but it still relies on you manually reviewing each transaction. That's where EasyPay Direct makes a difference. Their thorough underwriting ensures banks understand your course business and vertical, which reduces the risk of declines or holds when accepting payments internationally. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. With their dedicated support in underwriting, your global course sales stay smooth and reliable. Don't let international payment blocks hold your course business back. EasyPay Direct helps keep your transactions flowing safely so you can focus on teaching and growing your audience. Use the link in the description to get started today.